Meet the most rugged and capable Apple Watch ever. With a robust titanium case, precision dual-frequency GPS, up to 36 hours of battery life, the freedom of cellular, specialized bands made for athletes and adventurers of all kinds. Looks tough, because it is. Titanium strikes the perfect balance between weight, ruggedness, and corrosion resistance. The case rises up to surround the flat sapphire crystal and protect it from edge impacts. The digital crown is larger and the side button is raised from the case, making them easier to use while you're wearing gloves. 49mm titanium case. Water resistance 100 meters. IP6X dust resistance. The biggest and brightest Apple Watch display. The always-on Retina display is 2000 nits at its peak and twice as bright as any other Apple Watch. The bigger display provides more room for workout metrics and detail-packed watch faces. The Wayfinder face lets you rotate the digital crown to activate night mode for better viewing in low-light situations. Ready for action. The action button gives you quick, physical control over a variety of functions. It's customizable and can do things like control a workout, mark a compass waypoint, or begin a dive. GPS antenna. Precision dual-frequency GPS provides accurate location for calculating distance, pace, and route maps. Action button in international orange. Customized to mark a compass waypoint, start backtrack, control a workout, begin a dive, and more. Press and hold to activate the siren. Emits an 86 decibel sound pattern to attract help. Can be heard up to 600 feet or 180 meters away. Dual speakers. A second speaker improves audio volume for calls and Siri. Side button. Used to access safety features. Press and hold to make an emergency call, retrieve your medical ID, or access the siren. Raised slightly from the case for use while wearing gloves. Depth gauge. Provides real-time measurement of underwater depth down to 40 meters, along with water temperature readings. 3-microphone array. In windy environments, an adaptive algorithm picks the best microphone for audio. Machine learning filters noise for optimal voice clarity. Digital crown. A larger diameter and coarser grooves make it easier to use. Battery life for days. Up to 36 hours of normal use. Up to 60 hours on low power settings. Hike, run, dive bands. Specialized bands for outdoor adventures, endurance training, and water sports are as meticulously crafted as the watch itself. Find strength in numbers. The workout app provides metrics and views that give you all the information you need to be and beat your best. The larger display lets you see up to 6 metrics at once. Heart rate zones. Quickly see your intensity level. Training zones are automatically calculated and personalized using your health data, or you can create them manually. Action button. Measure your progress with extreme precision by customizing the action button to control a workout, mark a segment, or move to your next interval. Designed to be light, thin, and flexible. It features a fuss-free loop closure for quick adjustments during workouts. Extra stretch built into the webbing makes it easy to cinch for optimal fit. Designed to take on extreme environments, elevations, and temperatures. Built to withstand Apple Watch Ultra features a depth gauge, delivering the data and functionality required by scuba divers for descents down to 40 meters. Temperature sensing. An innovative temperature sensor enables groundbreaking insights for women's health and advanced cycle tracking. 10 and it records overnight temperature changes, which you can see in the Health app. Sleep tracking. Keep track of your sleep. See how much time you spend in 3 sleep stages, REM, core, and deep. And know when you might have woken up. ECG. The ECG app can record your heartbeat and rhythm using the electrical heart sensor and then check the recording for atrial fibrillation, a form of irregular rhythm. Heart health notifications. Receive notifications of unusually high or low heart rates and irregular heart rhythms. Blood oxygen. Get readings of your blood oxygen for insights into an important indicator of your overall wellness. Innovative safety features. Crash detection. Advanced sensors and a machine learning algorithm work to detect severe car crashes and automatically contact emergency services. Apple Watch Ultra also provides your location to dispatchers and notifies your emergency contacts. Fall detection. Whether you're at home or out adventuring, if a fall is detected and you're unresponsive, a call to emergency services will be placed automatically. Emergency SOS. Press and hold the side button to quickly contact emergency services and provide them with your location. For a period of time, your emergency contacts will get updates when your location changes. Stay connected with cellular. Call and text. Cellular is built into every Apple Watch Ultra 2 with a service plan. You can keep in touch with up to 18 hours of all-day LTE battery life. It works almost anywhere with international roaming. Maps. Get directions and even a tap on the wrist when you need to turn. Apple Pay. Send money to friends or pay for just about anything with Apple Pay. Use wallet as your ID, home key, car key, or boarding pass. Siri. Do almost everything on Apple Watch. Get directions, see the weather, or play a song, just by talking to Siri. App Store. The App Store on Apple Watch lets you find apps for nearly any sport or activity. Download apps directly on your watch without having to take out your iPhone. Environment. Apple Watch is designed with a list of features to reduce environmental impact.